Good afternoon, I am Jun. Today I'm going to make Dashimaki Tamago, which is like a Japanese style omelette. Behind me, what's boiling is dashi. This is actually niban dashi. Niban means number 2. So I used the dashi yesterday, and this is what's left over. I want to squeeze everything out of the dashi. So I'm using niban dashi, and it's good for miso soup. It's boiling, let me show you. Switch it over to here. You can really kind of simmer it for quite a bit to really extract the dashi out. I think I kind of been boiling for a few minutes. You can do probably 5 to 10 minutes. I will add katsuobushi, just a little bit, 3 grams or something. Add it here. Stop. And strain it using sieve. And now I'm going to make Dashimaki Tamago. And this is the traditional one that they use. But this is the household Teflon coated one. And now I'll use both of them. And there's difference in how you do it. I made Dashimaki Tamago for my daughters and I put it in a lunchbox today. So see what's in the lunchbox I put. I wouldn't want to do that. So let's start with making Dashimaki Tamago. I already prepared eggs here, and I had one with 2 eggs, one with 3 eggs. 3 eggs I will use the big one, and 2 eggs I will use the Teflon coated one. Dashimaki Tamago means there's dashi inside. And this dashi I extracted last night, which I have it here. And let's say 1 egg is about 50 gram or 50 milliliter. 2 eggs is 100. So I want to do probably 1 to 3 ratio. So dashi 1 and then the egg 3. So 100 divided by 3. Is about 33, so I'm going to put like 30, a little bit over 30. This one, actually, I haven't really put any seasoning here, so I'll just put something here. For the exact recipe, I'll put it in detailed place later on, so you can check the exact recipe. Now let's start with the Teflon coated one. And to make it easy, let's use a spatula like this. The Teflon coated one is quite forgiving, but anyway, it's always good to check the temperature. We'll start with the low temperature. Yeah, it kind of sticks. So you want to clean up the edges here. You just roll it. And put the here. Down here. Check the temperature. I'm gonna pour in about 3. This is pour it. Let's go. sure it goes down here, the base. Alright. Yeah. Okay. Roll it. Then you use this makisu, which you can also use it in sushi, and you rub it and leave it, and just leave it like this. So I have here a dashi with spinach, which I put it in a blender. So let's take out 50 of it. So 50. Let's put some, oops, heating up, so temperature is getting up. So I'm gonna try, this is second try, I confess. The first one, at the end, it kind of was destroyed. I got overconfident. Too hard. So let's start rolling it, and let's go. Initial one is not as important. Just slide it up. Temperature, rapid sound. Send it underneath. Break the bubble. So hot. So let's start the miso soup by using niban dashi, number 2 dashi. It's pale compared to the first one, but it should be good enough for a miso soup. So while it's heating, let's put the tofu, bean curd. And let's put some miso. Yes, miso soup is done, so let's clear up the table. So I skipped the plating process, I just put everything here. And finally with miso soup, I put the aosan nori at the end. This has a good, add good flavor, nori flavor to the miso soup. So I hope you like it, and what I'm seeing on the screen up here, I wanted to do that again. So that's what I made using the dashi Dashimaki Tamago and the miso soup with niban dashi, number 2 dashi. So if Jun can cook, so can you.